Millions of internet users have reported inability to access various vital services as a result of Amazon Web Services, AWS downtime. A downtime was recorded by AWS in the US on Monday, October 20th and crippled a host of dependent internet services as a result. Some of the services impacted by this downtime are the Amazon ecosystem comprising Amazon.com, Amazon Alexa, Prime Video, Amazon Music, Ring Security. Others are social and messaging services like Snapchat, Signal, Reddit, Pinterest, Duolingo, and Hinge. Finance and trading services like Venmo, PayPal, Coinbase, cryptocurrency, Robinhood, trading, Chime and several UK banks, Lloyds, Bank of Scotland. Business and work services like Zoom, Microsoft 365, Adobe Creative Cloud, Slack, Asana, Jira Software, Canva were also impacted. AI and search services like Perplexity AI, OpenAI also reported issues while transport services including Lyft, United Airlines and Delta Airlines were also affected. Time lost to loss of productivity arising from the downtime is not final yet but runs into several billions of dollars. Amazon Web Services serves billions of people worldwide directly and indirectly through services, including computing power, storage, databases, machine learning, artificial intelligence, analytics and Internet of Things (IoT). The outage is a dramatic wake-up call about putting all your digital eggs in one basket.